class cephalochordata. Cephalochordata. Dear student, in previous video lecture I have explained you the different class of phylum Chordata, different group of phylum Chordata. It means the phylum Chordata was two major group, two major subphylum, subphylum Protochordata and subphylum Vertebrata. Subphylum Protochordata has the chordates character only of their embryonic stage. It means the whole life cycle either they do not possess the chordate characters or possess the notochord only in the few specific body parts, like in case of Urochordata and in case of Cephalochordata. Listen carefully. In case of Cephalochordata, the chordates character means the key chordates character notochord found in the brain region. And in the previous video lecture you have seen the class Urochordata was the first, but actually the rod like structure, the notochord structure are found in the head region, so there is no need to explain. It is the very short it is a very short class of phylum Chordata, so there is need to explain first. Rather I will explain you the subphylum, that is the classes Urochordata. Actually this is the class Cephalochordata, keep in mind, and after that I will explain you the Urochordata. But you should have in your mind the Urochordata come first on earth, then the Cephalochordata. Listen carefully. So it should be in your mind the Urochordata and Cephalochordata are two different class regarding the Protochordata, and Protochordata is one of the important primitive chordata, and put into the separate phylum, separate subphylum, the subphylum Protochordata. Keep in mind. So let us talk about the Cephalochordata. Actually the cephalos means brain, as I have told you in previous video. Cephalos means brain and chorda means the rod like structure, that is the string. String means the rod like structure, it means notochord. Notochord at the early stage found in brain, but it is distributed throughout the body after the maturity. So it should be in your mind the notochord, write down the notochord found in brain but distributed throughout the body as according to maturity. Found, notochord found in brain but later distributed throughout the body. Listen carefully. Second stage, all the common animal characters like bilateral symmetry, coelomate and organ level body organization, the triploblastic, every should be in common, and the characteristic features is they all are aquatic and marine in nature. Now larval stage, listen carefully, the larval stage are common. Larval stage are common. D, notochord found in both larval as well as in adult. So you should have in your mind. Now next, the larva is free swimming. Larva free swimming, larva जो होता है वो तैरता रहता है. And adult is submerged in mud. Submerged in mud. जब एडल्ट हो जाता है तो कीचड़ में भाग जाता है. ठीक है, तो ये आपको जानना है कि इस ग्रुप में सिफेलोकॉर्डेट्स में मोस्टली जो होते हैं वो मड में घुस जाते हैं. ठीक है, कीचड़ में घुसे रहते हैं, और कुछ उसमें से फ्री स्विमिंग होते हैं. लार्वल स्टेज जो है सबका फ्री स्विमिंग होता है, और एडल्ट में कुछ जो है कंटिन्यूअस फ्री स्विमिंग करते हैं, बट मोस्टली कैसे होते हैं, दे आर एक्चुअली सबमर्ज्ड. Now back to the next. Head is absent. As I have told you, they belong to Acraniata in previous video lecture. So head is absent. Head is absent, but brain is present. Brain is not located in the head region. Brain actually located in the anterior part of the body. The body is actually this, and this is the anterior part, but there is a no clear cut head, so there is a no head like structure. Respiration through gills. Listen carefully. Respiration occurs through gills. So one of the another example of organisms that respirate through gills. And there is the trunk and tail present. The next body part, that is the head, is absent, but the rest part, that is the trunk and a tail like structure, is present. So trunk and tail is present. Listen carefully. Now back to other important features like the sexual reproduction and other development. Now before talking about sexual reproduction, the excretion. I remind you, excretion is most important topic in animal kingdom. In each kinds of organisms, in each kinds of group or phylum, the excretory organ should learned by you. So let us talk about the excretion in Cephalochordata. Actually, the excretion occurs as like flame cell like structure, but the other name of flame cell in higher organisms, it is known as solanocytes. Remember about the flame cell. Flame cell was the excretory organs in Platyhelminthes, but it is the other name of flame cell is solanocyte, that is found in the cephalochordates, and over there I have made an structure regarding the flame cell. So the structure of flame cell is as like this. Listen carefully. It is the flame like structure having an opening. Now the next, that is reproduction. Actually reproduction, the asexual reproduction is absent. Asexual reproduction in cephalochordates and most of the higher animals is absent. The sexual reproduction is present, that is they all are unisexual. Development is indirect, that is larval stage is found. And how the larval stage? Listen, the zygote form after fusion of male and female gametes, later continuously divide to form many cells, and later form the embryo, and embryo later form the larva, and larva form the adult living organism, that is similar to cephalochordates. एक चीज और बता दे, जब सेल डिवीजन होता है किसके लिए? एम्ब्रियो बनाने के लिए, तो ये जितने छोटे छोटे सेल्स हैं ये एक जैसे एक साइज के होते हैं. इनके डायमीटर अगर 1 सेंटीमीटर है तो दूसरे का डायमीटर भी 1 सेंटीमीटर होता है. दिस काइंड्स ऑफ सेल डिवीजन इज नोन एज holoblastic cleavage. So what is holoblastic cleavage? When all cells are as like during the mitosis of zygote. There is the different reproduction, excretion and development. Now back to example of cephalochordate. The greater example is bronchiostoma. दिख रहा होगा, नहीं दिख रहा होगा तो कोई बात नहीं. ब्रोंकियोस्टोमा, इसका और क्या नाम है? इसको बोलते हैं एम्फियोक्सिस. इसको और क्या बोलते हैं? इसको बोलते हैं लेंसिलेट. तो ये सब आपको जानना है, ये सब इसके कई नाम है, ठीक है, जैसे रावण के कई नाम होते हैं. चलो आगे, नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर आई विल डिस्क्राइब यू द class Urochordata, that is phylum Chordata, subphylum Protochordata, class Urochordata. But keep in mind, Urochordata should be in first terms, should be in first point, should be as first point by you, because the detail about the Cephalochordata is very short. So I made video first for Cephalochordata, later I will make the video for Urochordata.